Hello, we are in another topic today. This is broiler finisher feed using oyster shell and other ingredients. If you are in a region where you can get these oyster shells, it's a very good source of raw material for poultry. In this particular feed, we are going to make use of the maize, soya bean cake, groundnut cake, fish meal, blood meal. We are going to make use of this bone meal, oyster shell, salt, premise, methionine, and lysine. That's what we are going to make use of in this particular feed. But I will advise you to watch this video till the end. That's the only way you can get anything from this video. Make sure you watch till the end. Let's get there. Here I'm going to list the ingredients and the quantity. Here we have corn. We are looking at 19 to 20% crude protein. That's good for finishing. Here we have soya bean. Here we have GNC. This is salt, this premise. This is what we have here. So now we have, in this particular video, we have soya bean. Let's make use of, that is 17%. Then GNC, let's make use of 15%. Fish meal, here, in this fish meal, let's make use of small quantity to reduce the cost. That is 2%. While the blood meal, let's make use of 1.5%. You can see this one is left over yet. Then we have wheat offal. Wheat offal, let's make use of 12.45. Then bone meal. Bone is for calcium. This helps to strengthen the bone of the livestock and to make them stronger to carry the weight. That's the reason for bone meal. So we have 2 kg. Then oyster shell and bone meal have similar minerals. So we are going to use 3 here to balance it up. 3. Now we have salt. Salt, we have 0.25. This one we have 0.25. Methionine, all these ones will make use of 0.30, 0.25. This is all we have here. All this will give us 100 kg. I think we need this here. So, but let's calculate these ones first before we know what we're going to use here, because this is for energy. Let's calculate this first. Maize, the percentage of maize for CP, that is crude protein, is 9. SBM is 45. GNC 45. Fish is 55. Blood meal is 85. Wheat offal is normally, wheat offal is about 15%. Bone and meat is 50%. Oyster shell is not for protein. Salt is not for protein. Vitamin prim is not for protein. Methionine not for protein. All these ones are not for protein. We have only protein here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These 7 are for protein. Now let's start with meat and bone meal. This will give us 2 times 50. 2 times 50 divided by 100. Then wheat offal is 12.45 times 15 divided by 100. Then blood meal is 1.5 times 85 divided by 100. Fish meal is 2 times 55 divided by 100. Then GNC is 15 times 45 divided by 100. Soya bean is 17 times 45 divided by 100. This one is left yet. Let's get this one first and know what this will give us. Then we use it and balance the feed. Our calculator here. Let's get this first. Now we are starting from here. This time this will give us 100. 100 divided by 100 will give us 1.0. This is 12.45 times 15 equals 12.45 times 15 equals this, divide by 100 equals 1.86. Then this is 275. Then 5 times 50, 2 times 55 divide by 100. That will give us 1.11. Then this will give us 15 times 45 divided by 100. That will give us 6.75. 17 times 45 divided by 100. That will give us 7.65. Now let's add this. Let's add all these first. This will give us 7.65 plus 6.75 plus 1.1 plus 1.275 plus 1.86 plus 1.0. This will give us, now, this will give us 19.635. Now, for corn, we can't do without corn in this particular feed because corn is the main source of the energy. We can't do without it in this feed. So it is very necessary that we use it. So that's why it is very important. We're going to make use of the corn here. So corn here is 46. This will give us 46 times 9. 46 times 9 divide by 100 will give us 4.4. Add 4.41 here plus this will give us 24% crude protein. This particular feed, this is the kind of feed that will give you nothing less than 4 kg in 6 weeks. If you use this formula to finish your broiler, you are getting nothing less than 4 kg in 6 weeks because they can convert this 24% crude protein. And this feed is superb for you to get the best result in your broiler. That's why I left this particular video so that you watch it till the end. That's the only way you can get this. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it interesting, please share the video, drop your comment, and give it a thumb up. This is the only way you can encourage us. And at the same time, make sure you watch our adverts. Bye for now.